In the heart of the northeast lies Meghalaya, a land shaped by clouds, rain, and timeless beauty. Here, nature gives generously. From rich soil to fresh waters, Meghalaya nurtures products that are born pure, untouched, unspoiled, authentic. Every product carries the story of its land and the care of its people. Grown in clean landscapes, crafted through generations, preserved by tradition. This is not just produce, this is heritage. Meghalaya's strength lies in its communities, where skill meets sincerity and quality comes naturally. Today, these pure origins are finding global pathways, bringing Meghalaya's finest from its hills to international markets. Meghalaya offers more than products. It offers purity, trust, and legacy. Ready for the world.